Hello everyone, thank you for joining the channel today. So today we'll be looking at the Logitech Keys to Go keyboard. This is the UK porty version of the keyboard. It's wireless and it's Bluetooth, and the color that we have here is the graphite color. It also comes in grey, black and blue. I think he also comes with a pink version of the keyboard, and this keyboard is built to work on Android, Chrome OS, Windows, iPad OS, iOS, Mac OS and Linux. So it's a very versatile keyboard. I've had the initial Logitech Keys to Go keyboard, which was very good, but it was that one only connects to a single device, but this one connects to can connect to up to three devices. So if I open up the keyboard, this is what it looks like. If I take this out, and you get some paperwork over here, which just basically provides you a quick guide and some safety information for the keyboard. So let me put this away. So this is what the keyboard looks like. It looks absolutely amazing, extremely slim, unbelievably very portable. The keyboard is 20 centimeters long, 10.5 centimeters width, and the thickness, I assume it's going to be the thickest part of the keyboard, which is this section, is 1.11 centimeters, and the keyboard itself weighs around 220 grams. So that's absolutely a very lightweight keyboard. Keyboard is portable, very slim, and this particular version comes with this protective case. So it's a pretty light cover case that it comes with, and I believe you can fold that behind because there's a magnet here that literally makes it clap, so you can keep your keyboard like this. This keyboard can connect up to 3 devices. So you can see here, you can assign 3 different devices to this keyboard. It comes with the upper cases, escape, brightness, smiley button, some media buttons over here, and the delete button. And also it comes with just the standard QWERTY keyboard for the UK. I believe there's a Mac version of this keyboard as well, but I chose to buy the non-Mac version, so that gives me versatility because I use Windows, I use iPad OS, I use Chromebooks, so I have the freedom to assign this to, all kinds of devices. The keyboard itself, I like the color. This graphite color I like the color, and one key difference between this keyboard and the previous version, is that it is not charged via is not rechargeable. So the old one had a micro USB charging slot, but this one is battery powered. And from the information that Logitech provided, this is supposed to last you about 3 months, and it has 2 batteries. It's supposed to last you about 36 months, and it has 2 batteries in here. So if you take out the screws from here to here, you will be able to get the battery out of the keyboard. So this is a pretty nice keyboard. I'll do another video to review the keyboard against the old one, which is slightly wider than this one. But this one is really great because literally you can just throw it into your bag and off you go. So I'm liking this particular keyboard, and from what Logitech provided, is ambidextrous as well, so anyone can use it left-handed or right-handed. And with the Logi soft options software that Logitech provides, you can install on your computer. You can customize the keys as well to suit different applications and softwares in your computer. So I think this is a really good design change from Logitech. I'm really liking the design change, but I will do a separate video where I will showcase this next to the older version of the keyboard and just talk about the differences. I think one key thing I've noticed here is it's not waterproof. The old one was waterproof, so but in terms of feel of the keys, I like shallow keys myself. I'm not a big mechanical keyboard person, so this keyboard just suits me fine in the way that I work. It could be a bit compact there depending on the size of your hand, but I think that's the whole idea of being portable. You can, you try to make it as slim and as small as possible to a reasonable extent. So yeah, I'm liking this keyboard, and I hope if you're interested in buying this keyboard, for me, from a personal perspective, I think is a good choice. So you decide for yourself, but I'm looking forward to taking this to work or taking this outside, using this on my computer when I put my computer in a stand, and using it next to a mouse. Maybe it would have been a good idea if they made a version, put a touchpad built next to it at the end, so you literally have everything you need in this single unit. So maybe it's something for them to look at in the future, but I'm liking this one now. And yeah, so so if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn in for more videos, and thank you for watching. Thank you.